I, Hayden, take you, Amanda, to be my best friend, future mother of my children, and most importantly, my wife. I take you with all of my strengths and faults as I offer the same in return. I vow to love you with everything I have, to encourage you and support all of your goals and dreams, and to do so throughout all of life's ups and downs. I vow to always be your source of warmth in the night, and to never let my feet touch you. Oh gosh. With these promises come the journey of the rest of our lives, where I vow to take this journey not in front or behind you, but beside you as your equal. I choose you as the person with whom I spend the rest of my life with. I love you, Amanda Jean Miles. Will you be my wife?
Good? Yours is falling off.
Hayden, it's hard to believe that our day has finally come. 3 years ago, I didn't realize that my life was about to change. I met a man that treats me like a princess and gives me everything in this world. You have shown me how I deserve to be treated and how I deserve to be loved. You have proven to me that there is a Prince Charming out there, and I'm lucky enough to say I found mine. Today, on our wedding day, I vow to love you until the end of time. I will cherish you, respect you, love you, and stick by you for the rest of my life. I promise to be your sidekick and best friend as long as I live, today and forever. I will be by your side no matter what life throws at us. It's now you and me together forever. I love you with everything I have. Thank you for choosing me. I love you, Amanda.
Come together today to celebrate something very special. We celebrate two people whom are committing their lives to one another. We celebrate this love that they have found, and mostly we celebrate their commitment to God. See, when you love somebody, it is not about getting your own way. When you become one, it is no longer about you. Marriage is not about what you want, but it is about fulfilling the desires of what each other want. You guys are really cute together. And Amanda, as you have both agreed and promised to live together in matrimony and have announced your promise to love one another by these vows and the giving of these rings and the joining of your hands, I now declare you husband or wife.
There we go.
Keep going?
Oh, yeah.
Here they are, Mr. and Mrs. Hayden, Joel.
With Amanda and Hayden, I've watched them encourage each other, motivate each other. They are honest with each other, and are truly one of the most compatible couples, just as they lift each other up. It's a blessing to be by her side today as she marries him. Hayden, continue to love her as you already have, because you couldn't do it any better.